Working as a welder involves many risks, not least welding fumes. But before we go any further, what is welding fume? Welding fumes are small solid particles generated by welding activities. In other words, fumes are formed when metal is heated above its boiling point. The resulting fumes are condensed to form very fine solid particles. Now you may be wondering about the dangers of welding smokes. It's important to mention that the type and severity of health problems caused by exposure to welding fumes depend on the type of metal being welded and the type of welding being executed by the worker. One such hazard is manganese. This gray-white metal is found in over 250 natural minerals and is used in many welding rods. Exposure to manganese can have negative effects on mood and memory. It can also cause tremors and Parkinson's-like weakness. This kind of exposure can have ototoxic effects on the worker, which means it has harmful effects on hearing. Another dangerous exposure is to hexavalent chromium. This is the hexavalent form of chromium produced when chromium is placed under intense heat. It is a very dangerous form for humans. Hexavalent chromium can cause irritation, ulcers, allergic reaction, and even lung cancer. That's why the International Agency for Research on Cancer has classified welding fumes as carcinogenic to humans. Of course, another health risk can be bronchitis, asthma, pneumonia, heart disease, skin diseases, and even more. Good workplace ventilation and respiratory protection are essential to avoid the consequences of exposure to welding fumes. NIOSH-approved respirators, such as those offered by 3M, have filters that can effectively filter out particles from welding fumes. The addition of a welder's mask or the use of a PAPR system may also be necessary. To learn more about 3M Secure Click respirators, we've included a link in the description.